Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that. After that you can see first link asus.com is officially website. So just click on it. After that click on support and then click on driver and manual. Then type just model number. Select all driver, all type of versions, driver installations process same. Then click on driver and tool. Now this is your model number of, and if you change to, you can just click to another model and select it. Scroll down, come to last for the Bluetooth driver and click to download. After that you can see it is start and just click to download. Just click on it, download that file. After that click on yes, then click on ok. If you want to change so you can, otherwise just click to ok. Then next, I accept agreement. Then next, install. Then no, and you can restart your system.